Changing the language in the DoorDash app is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to adjust the language settings to your preference. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app. Launch the DoorDash app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on the profile icon or the menu icon, usually located in the top corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to language settings. Scroll through the settings menu until you find the option labeled language or app language. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Select your preferred language. You will see a list of available languages. Choose the language you want to use by tapping on it. The app may prompt you to confirm your selection. Step 5. Restart the app. After selecting your preferred language, close the app completely and reopen it. This ensures that the language change takes effect throughout the app. Now you can enjoy using the DoorDash app in your chosen language. If you have any further questions, feel free to explore the help section within the app.